Hey you guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video is an exciting one. We are finally doing our small bathroom. We are doing a DIY small bathroom makeover today, and I'm just so excited for you guys to see the results. So without further ado, you guys, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing that we're going to do today is go ahead and change out the sink with this beautiful vanity. It has a sink with it that I really wanted. I absolutely love the shape of this new sink. And then also the fact that it is a vanity and it has the drawers and cabinets that we needed in this bathroom. So what I'm doing here is just going ahead and removing the old sink, detaching it from the wall, and then we're going to go ahead and install our new vanity.
It's not about us, you know it's not about us, you know it's not about us, you know it's not about us.
So I was really bummed that I accidentally ripped off some of that drywall there, so that is definitely on my list of things to fix. So this project actually took me about 4 or 5 days total to do. I did it over the past couple of weeks because I had a lot going on. We all do right now. So I could only do so much each day. Right now we're going to go ahead and put in the faucet and add some of that matte black hardware that I love right now. I wanted to pop on and tell you guys thank you so much for all your well wishes, and I am going to definitely keep you guys in the loop when I know more answers on what's going on with my body. But right now I just kind of have to just go through life until I have my procedure done so we can really figure out what's going on. But I will keep you guys updated when I know. Thank you so much, you guys. So I'm kind of obsessed with this faucet stopper. All you have to do is push it down, and I think that's so cool. I've never had one like this.
The flames going high with my bad patience. I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about. It's not about us. You know it's not about us.
So there's a few things I learned along the way of this video. Is I definitely should have went ahead and just started the accent wall first. But I was so excited for all these new appliances and things, so I wanted to go ahead and just put them in because I wanted to see them up in the bathroom and start the look. All right, you guys, so I think this is like day 3. I haven't been going in order, but this is about the 3rd day of me doing some updates on the bathroom. I just got back from Lowe's and picked up some black paint, some new brushes, a few things because I am going to do an accent wall now, and I'll go ahead and show you what I'm doing. So I also went ahead and got some new light bulbs, which really made a huge difference. I still have the old curtains, that's just for now. I'm gonna put up new curtains. So this is the wall that I'm gonna make the accent wall. I'm gonna remove that. We're gonna paint it white, and then we're gonna do the stencil on it with black. So we are gonna go ahead and get started. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on what we're gonna be doing today, and hopefully we're gonna get everything finished today because I wanna get this video up for you guys. So, and I wanna complete my bathroom. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated. start, this might be
And so what I did is go ahead and fill the holes where that towel holder went, and now I'm gonna go ahead and sand the wall because we do have a textured wall. So I did research and find out that we should go ahead and just kind of lightly sand it. So I'm just lightly sanding it. It didn't do a lot of work because I don't have an electric sander. I definitely need to invest in one. I asked my husband for one recently as a gift. So I definitely need to invest in one because this would have been a lot easier. And I have a lot of DIY and makeover projects coming in the new year, you guys. So make sure that you guys are subscribed if you're into that type of stuff. So make sure you guys have your notification bells turned on so you guys don't miss those new home refresh videos. I will be continuing the home refresh series that I started last January because I have multiple spaces in my house I still want to make over. So stay tuned for those, you guys. I'm super excited.
One thing I love about you is your dedication. It got me dreaming at the station. On my way home, oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me.
So before we start going ahead and putting the primer all over the wall, I do like to kind of paint the edges first. It just makes it easier for me when I use the roller, so it's already done and I don't have to get too close to the wall. I do lap it though, just FYI, I make sure that I lap it over a little bit so you make sure that it's even. But I am not a professional painter, so I am just letting you guys know what I did. And if you have any other thoughts or tips or opinions, I always like to welcome those in the comments because it really just helps us all out.
Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're...
So instead of buying a new toilet paper roll, I decided to try a little DIY project with this appliance epoxy spray. And this can be sprayed on your refrigerator or any of your appliances. So before I did anything extreme in my house with it, I wanted to go ahead and test it out on something smaller. And I will say that I absolutely love it. So I am going to say that the mirror was probably one of the hardest parts of this project. It was glued to the wall by the builders and it was so hard to remove. So I had to do some research and I did find out that using shims from Home Depot or Lowe's really make a difference. I went ahead and stopped the video, went down to Lowe's and picked some up, and you guys are gonna see how much it made a difference.
From my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter.
So this is where I actually came back from the store with my new shims, which were only a couple of dollars, and they're so easy to use. You just go ahead and slide them on the back of the mirror, or between the wall and the mirror, stick those in there and then kind of hammer them down or really push them in there. And then before you know it, you guys, this took me 1 second to rip that mirror off the wall. I was so happy and excited.
It feels like I pretend, keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head on Filmer's back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. From a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by.
So now after we let the primer dry, I went ahead and started adding my first coat of paint, and I did do a total of 3 coats of the white paint before I start doing the stencil.
Moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on trying.
So it's officially day 3 of this DIY makeover, and I am going to go ahead and do the stencil design, and I am doing herringbone. The stencil is actually from a company called It, and I went ahead and bought it off of Amazon so it would get here quicker. But you can go ahead and find their website, or you can order on Amazon, so I will link both those down below. So I will go ahead and tell you guys from my experience, this is my first time using stencil, and so I'm new at it. So I did figure out that if you are going to use the stencil, you definitely want to apply less pressure. If you apply too much pressure, then it's going to put too much paint on the wall and start dripping or smearing even underneath the stencil. So it has to be very light. So that's why I do have a couple of little lines that I want to fix. But other than that, I really enjoyed using this. I thought it was super fun. Okay, you guys, I need your help. So I am going to go ahead and put up the white curtain for now because the other one, I'm kind of unsure about it. I thought it was really pretty and kind of boho, but it's super long and I just don't know how it's going to work with that vanity. So let me know your thoughts and opinions if I should just keep the white curtains up or if I should use the other ones. So I'm really excited about this piece of decor. I found it at Target. It's the Hearth in Hand Wash Your Hands sign, and it is so cute to me. I just love it. So I went ahead and just put it right there next to the mirror above the sink. I do want to mention, because a lot of you guys asked me for links in the comments, I'm going to do my best and try to make sure I get all the links from this video. But again, if you guys need any links for anything that you see in the video, just go ahead and let me know, and I'm always happy to search for it for you.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
All right, you guys, so right here where you see the shorter lines, they actually include a second stencil to go ahead and fill in those lines, and I didn't do it because I knew I was going to go ahead and put this shelf right there, so I was like, okay, I'm not going to bother, but there are a couple other places that I'm going to go ahead and just kind of freehand those lines to make them longer.
You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight. Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you. Let me know your thoughts on how the bathroom turned out. I am beyond proud of it. This took me a lot of work and a lot of time, and I'm just really excited to be done with it. And now we have our cozy modern farmhouse bathroom. Let me tell you, I'm excited every time I go in there, and I'm just really happy that it's all done. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please comment down below and say hi, and I will see you guys in the next one. I have a new cleaning video coming out this Thursday. Thanks, you guys.
Oh, oh. Of all the magic